Next exercise 12.2, an important sum in exam point of view. It is very easiest exercise, very easiest exercise. So study what I am teaching you properly and understand the sum, so you can easily score the mark in this exercise. Very easy. First you want to know this sum. This is nothing but, this symbol is nothing but negation. Negation we called as not. This symbol negation, just like a 7 shape, but it's on opposite side. Negation is nothing but not. This symbol you have now only you have studied. This symbol now only you have studied. This is nothing but the R symbol. So are we going to say this is called disjunction? Next, this symbol you have studied. This is called conjunction, nothing but and. You have studied on this both you have studied. This is a new one. This kind of negation not. You want to write reciprocal. One. Conjunction, disjunction and negation. This is very important. This symbol we called as and. This symbol is called as or. This symbol is called negation. This one opposite. Negation is nothing but negation. For example, negation is nothing but if you are going to write India is our country, then negation means India is not our country. That's all. If I going to I having a pen, if I going to use negation means I'm not having a pen. That's all. Like that we want to write not. Disjunction or, conjunction and. This symbol you want to write as den. This is called conditional statement. This is called conditional. This both side is called biconditional. If you want to choose this conditional, otherwise sometimes we say it is a conditional. Sometimes another name is nothing, hypothesis. There is another name also, nothing but antecedent. These are we going to use then only. If both arrows is called biconditional. It's called bicondition. It's nothing but if and only if. This you want to know very well. If you are going to know only, you can use. See, negation means not, disjunction is or. This symbol you want to study. This conjunction is and. Conditional, hypothesis, antecedent is nothing but then. This only one type pair is nothing but then. Two type pair is nothing but biconditional, if and only if. So next we move towards the sum, because the sum is going to be UC. So you can move inside the sum. First sum. See the first sum, exercise 12.2. The first sum. What is the first sum they given here? See, very easy. Jupiter is a planet. They given Jupiter is a planet. Q, India is an island. So first what I want to prove, negation of P. This negation is nothing but I want to use not. That's all. Negation means I want to use not. This symbol is nothing but I want to use, this called conjunction, I want to use and. Not only you should not use, I should use and. I should use negation of Q. First I will choose the first sum. Solution for first subdivision. P is Jupiter is a planet. Jupiter I want to use no. Therefore Jupiter is not, if P, negation of P, therefore Jupiter is not a planet. That's all. Jupiter is not a planet. That's all. We have finished. Because not, we have used not. Jupiter is a planet. Negation I want to use negation of P. Jupiter is not a planet. Next is second subdivision. See, first I need to write P. P is no problem. They given P as it is. So write P as it is. What is the P? Jupiter is a planet. Write P as it is. They use, what is this one? Conjunction. What is the conjunction? And. So write and. Jupiter is a planet and the negation of Q. They given negation of Q. Since India is an island, negation of Q means I want to use not in the Q. I want to use not in Q. India is not an island. India is not an island. That's all. Sum is over. Jupiter is a planet. This is P. Next we move to third subdivision. Third subdivision is given as, see, negation of P. So we need to use not. Not P. Not P means Jupiter is not a planet. Jupiter is not. I want to use not, no, in P. Not a planet. Say, what do you use? This is nothing but, this is nothing but R. I want to use R symbol. Nothing but disjunction. Disjunction. Disjunction nothing but R. Use R. Q. What is Q? India is an island. India is an island. Very easy sum. Next, fourth subdivision. See, they using P as it is. So write P. Jupiter is a planet. Use P as it is. Jupiter is a planet. After writing Jupiter as a planet, see, they use this symbol, nothing but conditional. So I want to put then. Jupiter is a planet, then negation of Q. Negation of Q means India is not an island. I want to use not. India is not an island. Next, last subdivision, fifth subdivision. See, P. Use P as it is. Jupiter is a planet. Then they use both side arrows. If and only if. If and only if. Q. Right? Q alone. India is an island. India is an island. So we finished the first sum very easily. So we move towards the second sum. See the second sum. This second sum also contains 4 subdivisions. This second sum contains 4 subdivisions. First, see, they given all the statement. We need to prove which one is P, which one is Q. First, they given 19 is a prime number and all the angles are right. First, I will choose. I wanted to choose P. P 19 is a prime number. First, write a correct statement. 19 is a prime number. We need to write P and Q. Q. The Q. All angles of a triangle are equal. All angles of triangle are equal. So first write, see, they used not. 19 is not a prime number. They use in not. So negation of P. Next, they use and. And means use this one. All angles of triangle are equal. So put Q as it is. Very simple. Next, 19 is a prime number. They use 19 is a prime number. So put P as it is. They use in R. R means you want to use a disjunction. All the angles of triangle are not equal. They use in not. So negation of Q. Next, 19 is a prime number. So use P. And as you need to use conjunction. All angles of triangle are equal. So Q, write Q as it is. Very simplest sum. 19 is not a prime number. So negation of P. Write fully as it is. So within this we have finished the first sum and second sum.